Alright, I'ma tell you niggas how to get that Jupiter, okay? The Jupiter airdrop, there's gonna be, I think three more. There's three more rounds. I don't know if when and Jupiter is counted as two, or is Jupiter just one. But I think there's gonna be three rounds more, because it's not talking about the meme coin. But let me just show you guys this, all the facts, alright? So if you see here, um, so we're Meow, right? He's part of the Jupiter team. He said that there's going to be 10%, right, allocated for this round. So the round that's already been done like 2 months ago, 1 month ago, right? So there's three more, and 40% of the supply for Jupe tokens are going to be airdropped, and 10% is already gone, so there's 30% more, which means, right, we're going to go through all the different things you can do to build volume. Either if you're a whale, you're in the middle, or you're a little brokey. Alright? So, first things first, you go to Jupiter. So, this is their website, jupe.ag. AG. Alright? So, you go on there, and after that, right, you can see here there's a swap, there's a limit order, there's DCA, there's bridge, and then there's perps. And then there's this cat one, which I'll go in a second. Swap, you want to swap, first of all, right? You connect your wallet. Maybe, I know this kind of sounds extra, right? But maybe if you connect your wallet every day, I don't know. I mean, I think you have to sign a transaction, obviously. But let's say, like, let's say you just press, like, forget application, right? Then maybe they'll like say, oh, okay, this guy signed the transaction, he was interacting with the DApp, okay. But the main thing is basically, you go to here, you go to Sol and USDC pair, okay. So maybe you want to turn one Sol or whatever amount that you have, and like convert it to USDC, and then maybe back as well. Doesn't matter whatever it is, because these are the main ones, and then you just swap, right? And then you approve transaction. The other thing is, after connecting, like connect it every day in it, and then swap Sol to USDC and then back, which is what I just said, or vice versa, whatever. Swap other tokens like meme coins, right? So dog with hat for Sol and vice versa. So don't limit yourself and restrict yourself to like USDC and Sol. Like maybe convert, I don't know, maybe sell your whiff for Sol and vice versa. Like that type of stuff. That's what you should be doing in it. So diversify as much as you can. If you don't diversify, obviously they're not gonna pick you up, are they? So that's why. Because this time, like a lot of people are trying to farm this crap. Like this, I think there's this one guy who made 1.1 mil off of this. So a lot of people have their eyes on this. So you need to differentiate yourself from the crowd. Then what you're gonna do is you don't watch trade every day. So what I mean by this is like I've seen people doing this. They go like Sol and then they max out their Sol and then they wash trade into USDC and then they swap it back into Sol. Yes, I get there's nearly no fees, but just don't do that. Don't do that. Makes you look like a bot. Every time like if you do that every day, it's stupid. Don't do that. Do it like every few days on it when necessary, or if let's say you just want to build volume, because it's a nice way to build volume. Even if let's say you have like $50, not 50 Sol, I wish, but $50, let's say $50 in it, you could literally just wash trade that throughout the whole week like 3 times, do 3 trades, right? Then you've already built up like $150, right? And then over time that will carry on, carry on, carry on, and then it will accumulate. Then the next thing is, I want to say this: swap dupe. Swap dupe specifically. This is a must in my opinion. Why? Because you're interacting with both Jupiter, DApp, and their token. You're using their token. Alright? They want that. So you using dupe for anything. Let's say especially if you want to buy it. Alright? So I'd say like, let's say 0.5 Sol, right? And I'd swap that for dupe. That's what I'd do every time. Also, you can see it says Meteora, which I think they're gonna have a airdrop, but that's for another video. But you can see it's really important that you swap into Dupe because it's supporting them and their DApp and their token. You see what I mean? So that's why I would say it's a must. I would even prioritize it over USDC, to be honest, right? The next thing is, right, set limit orders regularly, both buy and sell. Don't just restrict it to buy. So let's click on limit order over here, and then let's say you want to buy Sol while it dipped, right? So you're buying dupe. I would say limit order on dupe. Prioritize dupe as much as you can. I know it sounds extra, but it's best to prioritize dupe. It's because you're supporting the token and the ecosystem overall. You know, using the DApp and the token once again. Just do that, bro. Trust me. So he says here, sorry, variety of coins. So it doesn't have to be dupe. Obviously, do dupe in it as like the number one priority, but try to do other stuff too, like dog with hat. Okay, so just do that. Don't be a dumbass and like just swap, like limit order, just sell. Do limit order, buy and sell, and obviously don't make it look weird. Expiry, try and put some variation into it. You know, don't just put like 10 minutes. I mean, 10 minutes is a bit too small, a bit too short, but don't put like never every time. Put like 7 days, 1 hour, 3 days. It diversifies you. You know what I'm saying? So you just do that. You can see here my open orders $10 for Honk in it. I wish I didn't buy it because that was stupid. Actually, wait, I didn't. I didn't do it. It didn't. Yeah, order didn't get filled. So yeah, make sure your orders get filled. By the way, don't have any open orders. Yeah. So next thing is I bought Win as well. So next thing is right, DCA regularly. Okay. So DCA is over here, and I'd say DCA Sol and DCA. Sorry, not Sol. DCA Jeep. Oh yes, yes, yes. I forgot about this. Do when. Please do when as well. When is obviously it's not as I wouldn't prioritize it as much as dupe, but still like kind of prioritize it because you never know, you know. So just because they're both interconnected, they're both connected together. They're in the same ecosystem, right? Even though one is meme coin and one is utility, just do that. Okay, buy both when and dupe. Okay, use both of them. Okay, and yeah, just basically put that in, and then every like variety, once again variety. Do this like every few days or every week or every 2 weeks. It doesn't have to be like every day, bro. You don't need to go insane, yeah. But you just do that regularly to build volume. Bridge a few assets over to Sol. So Ethereum, for example. So if you click on bridge over here, I'd use comparator, not wormhole. I'd use comparator. I mean, they do partner with other people and they use the data, but I feel like if you use the comparator, it's better because I think it's their own. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, just bridge different tokens over to Ethereum. I'd say, is there dupe on here? No, there's none. Okay, yeah, just bridge it to Sol. Just Sol, Solana, USDC. Doesn't matter what it is. Just do that. Yeah. Ethereum, USDC. And then you can bridge like Optimism, BNB Chain, Polygon, Base, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Linear, and Tron. Use as many as you can. Literally use everything on this list if you can afford to. Do that because it will help you in the long run. It will differentiate you. Okay, next thing is right. Um, do perps on Sol, ETH, and BTC. So it's over here. So perps they switched it. It's not there anymore. Do perps? I don't know how would perps work, shorting and longing. I don't know how it works personally, so I can't guide you on that. But just basically interact with it. Sol, ETH, and WBTC. Okay, so wrapped Bitcoin, ETH, all of them. Just do every single one. All right. If you do every single one, I feel like it would diversify you once again. Okay, that's the best thing you could do. Use every single one. Right? Obviously, if you can afford it, because you'll get wrecked on there if you're not careful. Stake your dupe and vote on governance every time. This is a new thing, by the way, which a lot of videos out there are not telling you, because they're kind of old now. But you press on this cat, right? Press on this cat, and you go on governance. Click on governance, and it will show you. So 50 mil in dupe. from Jupe's LFG fee. And it says here total staked Jupe. That's how many people have staked their Jupiter. So by the way, yes, there is staking involved. You need to have Jupiter in your wallet in it to be able to do this. So I'd say buy some Jupe or use some of the Jupe that you got from your the first airdrop, which is what I've done. I got 200 in a minimum allocation because I'm a brokey. But use the 200, right? Or whatever amount that you have, and stake it in there. And I'd say put it on max, put that bitch on max, and completely just stake it. If you want to unstake it, it will take 30 days for it to fully unstake, and not only that, your voting power will get decreased as the days go by. So I'd say just stake the whole Jeep, bro. Just stake all of as much as you can. The more you have, the better, right? So, and not only is staking a good thing because it's showing that you're committing. Like you put all your tokens in there and you're trusting it on this DApp, right? And you're interacting with the voting. So you're actually taking part in the ecosystem. You're part of the DAO as well. So like, they're obviously gonna incentivize and reward these guys who are part of this. And look, there's not many addresses. 200k is not that much. And it's not even moved that much in the past few weeks, actually. A lot of people don't know about this. Do this, please. If you have Jupe, stake all of it, in my opinion. Obviously, that's not financial advice. You could do what you want. But personally, this is what I would do. And I've already done this. Look, I got 0 Jupe in my wallet. I've literally staked every single one. I hit that bitch on max, and I staked it immediately. Alright? And then I just leave it there. I just leave it there until and plus you get the launchpad fees. They literally pay you for this. You know what I mean? You get rewarded for this, right? And I'd say vote on these. You click on it. Obviously, right now there's nothing live, but it tells you they have quite short time spans as well. So I'd get in these quickly if I were you. Obviously, check in every day in it. I'm gonna tweet it out whenever it happens. So follow me on Twitter in it. But you'll see here I've voted on this first one, and maybe obviously if you haven't done this, you've missed out on it, but it's fine because there's gonna be more obviously coming in round one and all that. So you can see here I voted for Zeus, and they ended up winning majority of vote because I think they did a bribe. So yeah, you just want to do that, and obviously don't just vote for the majority. I think you can't even see the majority anyways. They don't show you until you actually vote in it for the percentages. So you vote for the ones that you actually like, alright? Do your research and then vote. Okay? And then once you voted, that's it, it's locked in. That way you're interacting with the DApp on so many levels. You're swapping, you're doing this, you're doing that, you're voting. You know, you're gonna be differentiated, and there's not that many people that's staking and doing this. There's only 217k addresses. Okay, so I'd say get in this ASAP if you haven't already. If you don't have any Jupiter and you didn't get any from the last airdrop, or you didn't get airdropped any, buy some, bro. Even if it's one Jupe, I don't care. Just buy it. All right. That's just my opinion. So after that, what you want to do is, I know this is a big ask in it, but purchase a Solana Saga phone. This is optional in it. This is for the rich boys. You know what I'm saying? So if you got a lot of money, might as well buy the Solana Saga phone. Because what I saw on Twitter was this right here. This guy's got really good threads as well, so I'd say follow him. But you can see here it says, "Ayo, we're meow. Any chance Saga holders can get some dupe in the future community rounds of airdrops?" Cause they were getting so many airdrops from Bonk, from like so many different projects. And Meow replied, "All about growing the pie. Let us throw it on board. Also interested to see what we can do to draw more attention on the other side of." So he's basically trying to do this for promo, which is a really good idea. Not gonna lie, right? He basically confirmed this. Obviously, he's considering it, and it looks like he's considering it, but it's most likely gonna happen, right? Because the airdrops are going insane already on both Saga and Solana. So, if you have that money, I'd say I'd do this personally. I'd buy a Solana Saga phone, not just for the Jeep airdrop. All right, we're not that brain dead. There's other airdrops that they give as well for Solana Saga phone holders. So you know, it's incentivized in every way. But main points are basically just to end off, right? Build as much volume as you can, right? You got $10, doesn't matter. Keep building it, keep swapping it, keep doing this and that, keep bridging it, keep just use as much as you can. Just keep if you don't have much money, okay, fine. Try and execute as much transactions as you can. Try and do that as much as you can. The amount of times I've seen airdrops say, oh, in between this threshold of transactions to this threshold, they got like a specific amount of an airdrop. So it's based on transactions on the network. Do that, please. Buy Jupiter and when. Yes, when as well. Okay, a lot of people don't mention this. Buy when. And vote every time. Stop being a lazy retard and just vote. Okay, it's not hard. Just do it. I've seen so many people like, oh, I don't really want to do it. Okay, fine. Miss out, man. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Literally, it's not that hard, bro. Just do that, and you'll be set, bro. Trust me. All right. If you're not set, if you don't get airdrop, I owe you 0.0001 soul. All right. Anyways, other than that, I ain't got nothing else to say. Jupiter is gonna be handing out. He's literally handing out free money, and I'm here to show you how to do it, bro. All right. These other niggas haven't done a update, and then you got these dumbasses saying $100 a day. Oh my god. So subscribe for me for no bullshit. All right. And follow me on Twitter. All right. Follow me on Twitter, boys. I need to feed my cat. I need to feed my cat, bro. Trust me. I swear to God, she's starving, bro. I keep giving her the same food. Please. Alright, please. Other than that, I ain't got nothing else to say yet. Take care. I'll see you soon. I'm gonna keep doing more airdrops on it. Every day I'm making more and more for the brokies, yeah? Just like me. I'm broke as hell. Alright? I'm just being fully transparent, innit? But I'm gonna do airdrops from Solana ecosystem. No L2s, FL2s, bro. I'm not paying those dumbass gas fees, goofy ass gas fees, bro. But I'm gonna do L1s, Solana, and maybe some other ones that don't have any fees or barely any fees, like Matic, right? Other than that, I'm gonna do all the other stuff, finance, making money, all that stuff, all that, yeah. Other than that, yeah, that's all I have to say. Otherwise, take care. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.